All right, number one, we're given this function, f of x equals 1/4 x to the negative 3, and we're told that this is the graph of that function. And then we're asked to find the domain of the function. So the domain is all possible inputs into the function, so all possible x values. And we can see along the x-axis here, the graph of this function goes to negative infinity this way, to positive infinity that way. So all x values are possible with one exception, and that's right here at 0. Notice that as we come toward 0 from the left, this shoots down to negative infinity, and it's never going to get to 0. And then the same thing as we come to the right, it shoots up to positive infinity, it's never going to get to 0. And we can see that from the equation here, because x to the negative third is the same as 1 over x to the third. So if we plugged in 0 for x here, 0 to the third is still 0, and so we'd be dividing by 0, and we can't do that. So we can plug in any value for x and get a real number solution except for 0. We can't plug in 0 because then we'd be dividing by 0. All right, so the answer here is going to be all real numbers except 0. And the way that we're going to write that is open parenthesis, negative infinity, and then comma 0. And then we want a close parenthesis here, not a bracket. A bracket would indicate that we're including 0. A parenthesis here is indicating that we're not including 0. So we're going from negative infinity to 0, or from 0 to positive infinity. And so that's our solution. What this means is all real numbers from negative infinity to positive infinity except 0. So negative infinity to 0, or 0 to positive infinity.